Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel MomGudy Days, and we are in the episode 2 of the makeup series. And in the first episode we saw how to turn a glossy lipstick into a matte lipstick and super transfer proof. And if you haven't checked that video, I'll link that video in the description section. Go take a look. And in the second episode, as I promised, today I'm going to show you how to pop that natural highlighter onto your face without using a liquid highlighter. So all you need for this is oil or a moisturizer or aloe vera gel and a powdered highlighter. Okay, the oil which I am using is the Plum Glow Restore face oil. It's a blend of 10 oils. And the highlighter which I am using is from Makeup Revolution London Shimmer Brick Rose Gold. All you have to do is take a little amount of the oil and dab it onto your cheek area. I'm using a beauty blender here, and then little on the, okay. So now I have put the oil, so it's already glowing. And now all you have to do is just take the highlighter and you have to blend. You can just going to put one line and then blend it. Okay. Blend it very neatly so that it doesn't appear. So do you see that? Wow. Perfect. It looks absolutely natural. Even if if you see it in person, you cannot make out that you have put an highlighter. It glows as if your skin is glowing from within. I hope you really liked the tip. If you have, please do click on the like button. Also subscribe to my channel because you are going to see lots of such beautiful beauty tips coming your way. And until we meet in the next video, bye bye. See ya.